Recording now. So team, the first point is here. We all are here to learn Tricentis Tosca. Tricentis Tosca. So Tricentis is one of the software organization like product-based company, and this company is introduced Tricentis tool to the market. So their main intention, like the Tricentis company main intention is here, they have to release the products which is related to quality of testing point of view. Coming back to here, so Tricentis team is released a number of tools related to manual testing, functional testing, exploratory testing, integrity testing, and neo-load like performance testing, ETL testing, big data testing, somewhat Snowflake testing. Yes, we have these many possible ways we have to do testing of the tools. Okay, so Tosca. Tosca is we have two type of versions in Tosca. One is community version. So in this community version, we can automate any kind of application. There is no restrictions on this particular community version. You can go with any kind of application automation. Any kind of application is nothing, but we have some project categories, right? Like a web project and desktop based projects and mobile based projects, SAP projects, API projects, for example, Salesforce projects, some mainframes projects. Something is related to somewhat of banking domain related, the healthcare domain related project, and a manufacturing related project. Like this, we can do big data testing and ETL testing. All these things, all type of projects we can automate in this Tosca community version. Okay. So this is the one version. And Tricentis tool is providing, Tricentis company is providing another Tosca. What are the companies? Okay. What are the companies? They have a mutual agreement with the Tricentis company. They're providing a tool for them free tool. So no need to pay any amount to the Tricentis company to utilize the features of that particular free tool. So what are those tools? Those tools we call it as a TTA. TTA means Tricentis Test Accelerator. Tricentis Test Accelerator. Okay, this is the full form of TTA. So this TTA4, for example, the SAP is having some connectivity with the Tricentis company. They are providing TTA for SAP free of cost. The SAP people no need to pay any amount to the Tricentis company to work with the TTA of SAP. Next, so TTA for SAP free of cost. Like the Tricentis have something like TTA for Salesforce. So we have very limited features in this particular application. This is not a community versions, okay? So it's providing the Tricentis companies providing this platform to their tie-up companies. Okay, it is a free of cost. So what are the things we can achieve in these community versions? We cannot achieve all these things into a TTA version. So now this version part is clear. Hmm? Here we have very limited feature. Like what are the features they're providing in this TTA for SAP that will support only for SAP based applications. So in the Salesforce point of view, what are the TTA they are providing for the Salesforce? That is going to support only for the Salesforce project. That's it, not for others projects. So the Tricentis company is doing somewhat of customization based on their customers. So the for SAP, they are providing TTA for SAP, TTA for Salesforce, TTA for ServiceNow. Like this, we have a TTA tools also in the market. Okay. So seems like the interface point of view both should be same. But coming to the features, what are the features this community is having? We don't have features access in the TTA version. Clear with this part? So team, I'm just giving a background of Tricentis company. Okay. Next. So this is the tool-wise activities tip. The next point is here. Advantages. What are the advantages of this particular tool? Why we choose only Tricentis Tosca? We have in the market like Selenium is there and QTP is there, like UFT tool is also there, Raft is there, Cucumber is there. We have a number of things. Why Tosca is most popular in the market? So the first advantage is here, scriptless tool. Scriptless tool is nothing but in zero coding tool. No need to learn any background, like no need to learn any programming language here. If you came from IT or non-IT, whatever the background it is, just ignore about your background. So you are here to learn Tricentis Tosca very freshly and newly. Okay. So do you need to learn any coding further? No, not at all required. Okay, because the Tosca is completely a scriptless test automation tool. And coming to here, what type of advantages we have? The advantages here, we can automate one application end to end. One automation end to end. What exactly the meaning of end to end? If you consider one particular web page, any web application, for example, you can take an example of Amazon only. So the Amazon website is having, what are the Amazon we are seeing, that is completely a front view, correct? So this is completely a front view team. So what are the products their website is holding? We are able to see there all the products related information here. But to work this particular web page successfully, we have a lot of things in a backend. So I think some people are aware of this one. We can call it as a backend test. So in this backend testing, we can comes under two kind of things. One is API testing, another one is database testing. So coming to a front-end testing point of view, the front-end we can call it as a functional testing, end-to-end testing, sanity testing. All these things we apply into a front-end level only. But if you're doing some testings in the background level, that is call it as a API and database and functional point of view. But we can cover all these things into one tool only. No need to go with a different tools in the market. Earlier, for example, if you are using a Selenium, then what happens, if you want to complete one application end-to-end testing, so for front viewpoint, we'll take Selenium. If you want to perform API point of view, either we can go with the Postman or REST Azure. So if you want to go with any kind of database kind of thing, Tim, so either you can choose ATL or any other categories. Be functionally, we'll just connect to the database, we'll just validate the things manually in the background level. So these many tools we required when we are working with a Selenium. But coming to a Tosca point of view, if the project wants to automate one particular application end to end, like enterprise kind of cycle kind of thing, yes, we can do all the things into one particular tool. Okay, this is very more flexibility. Next, why companies are jumping with the Tricentis Tosca instead of choosing a Selenium? This is also one of the major interview question you may face in interviews. Why companies are looking for the Tricentis Tosca instead of Selenium? So team, Selenium is a free tool. I agree that point. So if you come across the Selenium, it is a free tool. No need to pay any amount to the anyone to work with a Selenium point of view. But here the drawback is we have to learn the programming languages. Must be required a basic knowledge on the programming language, either Python or Java or C sharp. It depends upon the project kind of thing. Selenium is a free tool and we learn some programming language. If you are willing to learn the programming language, Jim, yes, we can learn, but we cannot keep an experience on Selenium kind of thing. Because whenever you are trying to keep an experience on Selenium point of view, so must be required a more knowledge how to write business logics in the programming point of view. That is what experience, right? So we can go with the fresher. That is fresher is open for all the projects team. But coming to here, learn the program. So that is a very drawback thing. And even human resource also be required more. For example, if my team strength is I require 10 people for the Selenium and 2 people or 5 people from the manual testing, or even team strength is also very huge. But in Tosca point of view, you know what is happening in the market, the team strength. For example, if I take one particular team, if it is a large scale, I'm just calling it, if it is a large scale project, the number of people here, we can take it around 10 people. If it is very moderate project, it's a very small scale project, so 3 to 4 members, that's it, not much. Instead of keeping a number of people into one particular project point of view, they are just reducing the human resource in the respective project point of view. You can take any Tosca project, the team strength is always either 4 or 5 members, that's it, not much. Because why the team length is very small, here there is no coding. So here it is not a difficult task for us to write the test cases. We can write it easily. And even we can deliver the things within the short span of time. And what is the use of keeping more than 5 people, 10 people into this project? If it is a programming language, yes, we can write some languages, we'll write some coding here. That is the reason we'll keep into the more people into a project. But coming to a Tosca point of view, team Tosca is a very codeless tool, right? Simply we can keep either 3, 2 or 4 members in the project. That's it, not much. And this Tosca is a paid tool. We have to pay some amount to the Tricentis company. And this paid payment is also budget friendly only, team, not huge. Okay. So how the companies are thinking about Tricentis Tosca tool point of view, like before they are jumping to the Tricentis tool, they are just calculating the budgeting point of view. For example, if I hire 10 people, I must allocate some budget to them, like either based on their experience, based on their earlier experience or earlier packages. We have to give either 30% or 40%. Let us assume. They just keep here around a 50 lakh of package for all the team members. Let us assume, I'm just giving hypothetically. So for these 4 people, I'll just allocate around either 40 lakhs or 45 lakhs of package. But here 10 lakhs of amount is reducing, right? And even number of resources also reducing, right? So out of this 10 lakhs, I think it's only 1% to pay amount for the, that's it, not much. You got my point? This is the one more advantage. Kishore, please keep in mute. So the next point is here, why Tosca is most popular in the market. So to popular Tosca in the market, team Tosca is having some AI features, AI driven test automation tool. AI driven test automation tool. If you do cross checking with the market, so no tool is developed with the AI capabilities. But nowadays, the most popular tool in the market, that is a Tricentis Tosca with AI driven test automation features, is included here. Not only AI team, even they are upgrading their tool with the Gen AI. All these artificial intelligence features also they added here. The one more advantage we have like a data driven framework. Maybe you're listening these kind of terminologies first time, who are came from non-IT background. So data driven framework is nothing but we just maintain the test data. For example, if I want to go with the registration or login functionality, must we have to enter our registration details and login credentials, right? What are the data we are using for this registration details? We'll just maintain this entire data into one location. Either if we are working with Excel point of view, like Selenium point of view, we'll keep this data into Excel file or any client suggested applications. But Tosca point of view, we have by default data driven framework. We can design this kind of framework by default. No need to depend upon any other tools. Tricentis Tosca itself is providing some platform to prepare a data-driven framework. And next one is here test management activities. So test management activities point of view, we can go with the test management activities, like creating of requirement, assigning the requirements to the team members, and to track the status of each and every team members, how many defects is raised, how many defects is still pending, how many are completed. That kind of tracking is also available in the Tosca commander level. Along with this, so one more advantage is here integration. So I think some people are aware of this one, continuous integration. Continuous integration is nothing but without human interaction. For example, I am a human being. Without my interaction, if I'm running the number of test cases overnight or either 2 days or 3 days, yes, that is possible in Tricentis Tosca. So instead of navigating to the third party tools like Jenkins and Bamboos, somewhat of like a Litmus, no need to depend upon the third party tools. So the Tricentis Tosca itself, it is giving a by default feature. We have a default continuous integration, like continuous execution platform. We have a continuous execution platform. So we can utilize this platform to run the scripts overnight. For example, if you want to integrate your test management tools, like maybe in the market, if someone aware of these things, to integrate test management tools to the Tricentis Tosca, yes, that is possible. So what are the test management tools? Either Jira, HPALM, Marketing Test. All these things is possible, like Solution Manager, like this. Any questions, Tilla? Tip, hope everyone is clear with all these points. Tricentis Tosca advantages, why it is most popular in the market.
Yeah, ma'am.
If you have any questions, let me know.
Hi, this is Srinath. Actually, I missed the starting thing actually. Uh, Hello?
Yes, yes, Srinath, go
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah, can you go up?
Mhm.
You will explain this Tosca with Salesforce combinations? No, yeah.
So Tosca with no, I'm not cover these many projects in a single shot within 30 days, 45 days. It's not at all possible for me. Okay. So I'll just committed to provide a couple of projects only. One is web-based projects, another one is desktop-based projects and SAP database and API. That's it. So what are the workflow we are doing for these many projects? The workflow point of view that is common for Salesforce as well.
Acha, acha, okay.
Okay, same workflow, but application is differing. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, my background is from Salesforce. That's why I want to know.
Yeah, definitely you can do a practice on your Salesforce application. It's not mean that to go with only the applications which I'm providing.
Acha, fine, fine.
So if you have a flexibility to,
So, how,
Hello.
yes, Sumanji, go ahead.
So, will we do the project in the Salesforce with Tosca right now in
Yeah,
training?
in the
So
track.
we will cover Salesforce project also in
No,
this training.
no,
No,
Sumanji. I just mentioned here only 5 projects.
Web, desktop, SAP, DB, and API. Okay, fine.
That's it. The similar way for the Salesforce as well. If you have some functional knowledge on Salesforce point of, you can apply same concepts in Salesforce, not much.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
So, ma'am, in this training, we can get the knowledge in the both the tools, like community version, one more video, no? So, second one, TTA also, right?
No. I'll give you directly to you only a community version.
Okay, so we didn't get any opportunity to practice hands-on through TTA.
TDA is not required, but I'll show you how it. So if you're familiar with the community version, if I show you TTA, what are the features is not available in TTA, easily you are able to recognize it. First, we'll go with the community version. Maybe the end of the session or end of the classes, I'll show you this TTA, how it looks like. Same interface, not much. They just restricted some accesses in the TTA level. That's it.
Okay.
Any other questions, team? Advantages point of view? So I'm just showing one presentation to you all. So see here, team, this is Tricentis Tosca. As I mentioned earlier, using Tricentis Tosca, we can do these many projects. Like we can cover all these layers in one end-to-end application layer point of view. So means we can do manual testing, analytics, API, big data, continuous integration, data management, load, impact, service visualization, exploratory, risk-based management. All these things we can cover. So ultimately, Tricentis Tosca, we call it as a model-based test automation tool. Okay. So Tricentis Tosca is a continuous testing platform that delivers a fast feedback for agile and DevOps manner. It allows you to design the automated and functional and end-to-end software test across all layers of your enterprise architecture. Next. Why Tosca is most popular? I already discussed with you these points. Like one is artificial intelligence, another one is generative AI. So what exactly in our Tosca point of view, we call this one as a vision AI. Vision AI. So vision AI is a AI-driven test automation technology that allows team to automate the function application user interface independent of the underlying technology with machine learning. So vision AI will see the steer any interface just like a human user. This makes your automation future proof as adaptable as a human brain. For the first time, if you are, you will also be able to truly shift UI testing to the left. And with the Vision AI, you can create your automated automation already based on the simple mockup or UI description. So before any code is written, no need to write any coding for this particular one as well, team. So coming to here, Tricentis Tosca is providing certifications. Like this is not certificate you will get from our institute side. These all are the certificate you will get from the completely Tricentis Tosca Tricentis company side. That is the reason here you can see the logo also Tricentis only. So we'll take the certification program. So to get this final certificate, you have to complete around 6 certificate here, AS1 and AS2 you have to cover here and TDS1 and the next one is TDS2, AE1 and API. If you cover these many, if you complete these many certificates, then only finally you'll get one ultimate certificate that is advanced certificate. Seems like you are the product consultant certified person in a Tricentis company. Clear? And to complete the certification team, it is a free of cost only, no need to pay any amount. So you required only a business mail ID for this particular one. So no need to worry about a business mail ID. If you are having your company mail IDs, you can use your company mail IDs. If you don't have any company mail IDs, we'll take care of all these activities. No need to bother about the certification program. Clear? Any questions on the certification program?
No,
Hello.
what is AE1? AE1.
Hello.
So the AE1 is a automation specialist level 1, automation specialist level 2, test data specialist level 1, test data specialist level 2, automation
Yeah.
engineer level 1, and API.
Okay.
Okay.
So institute, you people will give the guidance how to get certified, right? The
Yes.
process and all after coaching, I think.
Yes. So by end of these courses, everyone should have these kind of certificate in your handwriting. So for AS1 certificate, they'll give you one badge for that. So even for the AS2 certificate, they'll give a badges. The similar way they can give a badge for the TDS1, TDS2, and TDS API, AE1, and API. So once you get these 6 badges, the 7th level you have a certificate. So we have to write an exam here. So if you qualify that exam approximately 80%, then you'll get the certificate from Tricentis side. Got it?
Okay.
So who should take up this course, team? So all are eligible, like manual test engineers, automation engineers, QA engineers, STET test managers, test architect, Tosca automation specialist, non-technical background people is also yes, FLR. This is also flexible for them as well.
How much cost it would required for architect level? Can I know that amount? That
Like certificate.
yeah. I want to the course pursue
I-
a certificate on architect level. How much cost?
As I mentioned earlier, to get any certificate from Tricentis side, as of now, there is no cost. Okay.
Okay, sure.
So if you're doing yourself, yes, you can do it. Or if you're taking help from others to do it, maybe they'll charge some amount for that. Hmm?
Okay, sure.
So as I mentioned, why Tosca is most popular in the marketing because the Tricentis Tosca is having these many things in the single tool. We can create our test cases, we can create our execution list, the data-driven framework and requirements and reporting. We can create our customized reports in Tricentis Tosca also. So the advantages of Tricentis Tosca team, these all are the advantages. Already I discussed with you these advantages like model-based test automation projects, easy to teach a new resource, end-to-end test automation is possible, integrated with test case designing with execution, cross-browsing testing, cross-platform testing, integration and ecosystem scalability, and enterprise support. Coming to a Selenium team, why Selenium? So if you want to steer any particular locator from the SUT management point of view, so we always try to understand this front-end technology. So we have to go there and we'll write either XPath or CSS path to make identification of each and every control. So seems like this was somewhat of confusion kind of thing. To avoid these confusions, we simply go with the Tosca. Tosca point of view, no need to go with all this front-end technology to or do the things manually. So Tosca is having only one mechanism, that is only a scanning mechanism. We just do the scan and we just save the model. That's it. So these all are my previous student success messages. So I just cut it, just hidden their personal information here, like mobile number, all this stuff. But what are the messages I got from them? I just mentioned some couple of screenshots here. So this is only a simple presentation. So any question?
Anusha, I just want to know, like, by taking this course, will we able to clear the tech certification examination?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
So without any dependence, you can clear all the certifications yourself only. Maybe if you're busy with somewhat other work or office work, I'll support you to clear it out. That's it.
Is there any limited chances on or we can try multiple times also? Attempt. We can
We have
attempt.
a number limit for the attempts, only 2 attempts.
Okay.
So if you go market, maybe they are providing certificate like AS1, AS2 team, but nowadays that is not enough for you people. For example, if you are trying to keep an experience on Tricentis Tosca, either 2 years or 3 years or 4 years or whatever the experience, whenever you are splitting your experience with Tosca automation point of view, so the interviewer or interviewer panel, they must ask the certifications. What are the certificates you done from the company Tricentis portal site? So if you share this AS1, AS2, yes, I agree. This AS1, AS2 is the basic level certificate. But if you're having this product level consultant certified means, that means you are the advanced certified person in a Tricentis Tosca. Clear?
Yeah, for 3 years experience, is there good opportunity in this Tosca?
Yes, definitely. I think let me stop the recording. Out of 4 years, 1 year is manual, 1 year in Selenium, 2 years in Tosca. But still they got the opportunity, right? So the thing is, it's not mean that how many experience you are keeping, just split what are the total years of experience you are having. So try to go with the number of years experience in Tosca point of view, either 2 or 3. So based on this entire training session point of view, you can go with around 3 to 4 team.
And also, came to know that timing will be from morning 9:30 to 10:30, right?
Yeah, the timings is morning 9:30 to 10:30, but we'll continue with us evening 7 to 8 around 1 or 1 and a half week.
Yeah, yeah.
Let
Because
me
morning
shift
time
to the
we
morning 9:30.
have.
Yeah.
So there will be evening session as well, right?
No. This is the only evening session. We can continue either 1 or 2 weeks. That's it, not much days. After that, I'll continue with this entire batch into morning 9:30 batch.
Okay.
Okay.
And SAP testing specialist level 1 certificate are also included, right?
SAP is not included as of now. Earlier, in our institute side, we are providing only 3 certificates like AS1, AS2, and SAP. But now we just updated that plan with all these many certificates.
Yeah, actually, I have seen in the course content this also covered SAP testing specialist level 1.
I also seen that API.
Yeah, maybe they shared that whole course content that is not updated one. Let me. I'll ask them to share that course content. I'll share that recent course content to you all.
And also daily 1 hour, 1.5 hour class, right?
Yeah, daily 1 hour or 1.5 hour. That's it.
So apart from this, man, how is the opportunities or calls going outside of the market, like in the market? So related to Tosca calls, is there any difficult to get the opportunities or is there good calls in outside?
It's very easy team, so we can get the calls, but the thing is the scheduling of interviews only. So that depends upon your previous experience. Like if you're having some genuine experience kind of thing, then they'll schedule the calls. The interview process also quite easy only because we learn everything your itself only in this training session only. Like what are the interview questions you may get and what are the technical challenges. Just give me 1 minute. Like technical challenges and assignments, daily assignments, and concept based scenarios, each and every concept related assignment. So I'll give you these many things now. So definitely you can crack your interview without any dependency. And yes, we have a huge openings in the market nowadays. And we have a job platform as well. So we'll add all the people into job platform. For example,
And also like right now, I'm in work at like integration domain. So while shifting to other company, I have to tell them that I worked any real-time hands-on project in this training. So to explain them that I have worked in Tosca, my previous project.
yes, Mark. Definitely you can do that. So I'll explain those related information also to you. So in the Next IT career portal level itself only, so they'll post the number of openings based on their they have some communication with their respective companies, and they have some other companies are dealing with internship. What are the companies are hiring the people? So we have this kind of information in our website also. You can try to cross check what are the recent current job openings is available.
Any job assist or references, man? If possible.
Kind of assistance only, not a references also. Okay.
Okay.
We just provide the assistance, which company is hiring, which profiles, and what are the job skills they are looking for. So you can apply for that. You can try to attend the interviews. So if any one of our students are referring any one of you, I'll give you that information via WhatsApp. We have another channel for that. Tosca Automation Pro like a job portal thing. So I have one group and I'll add all you people into that group and I'll give you the information which company is hiring and what is the job description, how many years they are looking for the Tosca point of view.
Okay.
Okay.
So the training will be in English or both mixing language?
See, as I mentioned in the beginning only, I said right. So I'll just go with English. So if you are having any questions, let us Assume you are not able to understand one particular concept. You can ask me in Telugu, okay? I'll give you the explanation clearly.
Sure.
It's not mean that I'll go with only English in this manner. So just it depends upon your understanding. If you're not able to understand, let me know. I'll try to explain the same thing one more time.
Sure. Thank you.
Hello, Anusha.
Yes, Tim.
Yeah, I'm completely from non-IT, right? So while going for interview, what type of experience I need to put it on resume?
So you can split your non-IT experience with one is manual test experience and automation experience. That's it.
Like they will ask for real-time projects, right?
See,
Project.
what are the learning you are doing here that is completely real time. Okay, now
Okay. Okay.
don't think this is only the learning kind of thing. Just think about you're just learning something in this training that is in real time point of view.
Yeah. Okay. And one more thing, Anusha. Actually, I don't know about this. Like, what we say, like all are looking somewhat new for me. So, can you help me out while starting the session, starting the regular classes?
Yeah, sure, definitely I'll connect with you, Roja.
I don't have any knowledge about the
No
SAP
problem.
investment.
It's not prior knowledge is not required. So whoever came from non-IT, all are eligible to do these activities. It's very simple task, okay?
Yeah.
So if you want to jump a non-IT background to IT, the best platform is here, testing platform only.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Anusha. Thank you.
Thank you.
No one-to-one sessions right now.
As of now, no, I think so. I don't know about that information, Kishore. You can check with the management. They'll give you the best information to you.
Cool. Thank you.
So hope everyone is clear with all of your questions, right?
Or we'll get the recording sessions, right? Like morning session, I couldn't attend. I can't attend because I'll be working at that time. So,
Definitely, daily will share the recording videos to you all.
and if we get any queries, so when we can contact.
So in the Saturdays, we have a doubt session every Saturday, okay?
Okay.
Just join into Saturday, it's a week of right. Probably you are free for that day.
Yeah.
In the Saturday, we'll discuss all of your questions. So what are the things you are having?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi Anusha, how many days exactly it will take the course to complete the course?
45 to 50 days.
Mhm.
Ma'am, are you available in offline training sessions? So just I wanted to.
As of now, I'm giving only online sessions only. Team. So maybe if you're looking for offline, we have another trainer for that. So
Okay.
yes, offline is also available. Just check with the management. They'll give you the information to you.
Okay.
Only this is Monday to Friday or Saturday also?
Monday to Friday, Saturday is the doubt sessions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Tim. Thanks to you all. We'll connect tomorrow same time.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have three free classes, right? Today is our first day class. Tomorrow I'll start the new class, another class with the Tosca Commander introduction with example execution. And the day after tomorrow, I'll give you the information related to something related to installation and some informations we discussed that day.
So, ma'am, in real time, we we will use both the tools, community version and TTA, or only community version?
Depends upon the project. Some of the projects they are going with the community, some of the projects they are dealing with the TT.
Okay. Okay.
Most of the projects they are going with community only. Okay.
So we will cover both the two tools.
I'll give, as I said earlier, I'll give you installation of community only. Okay.
Okay.
The version, the end of the sessions, I'll show you what are the features is not available in TTL level and how these interfaces look like. Hmm?
And also, how many real-time projects we can practice, like any banking or insurance projects? So,
You can go with any kind of project here, Kishore. There is no restrictions. Okay.
okay.
And pick either banking project or insurance project or e-commerce project or
No,
any.
no, I'm saying is from institute perspective, one or two real-time projects will provide, right?
I'll just provide the real-time experience, how we can develop the test cases in logical thinking way with different application knowledge. Okay.
Okay. Is there any possibility to build our own framework from zero to
Yes,
high level?
definitely you can do that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Okay, Tim. Is this clear for all? Okay, Tim. So thanks to you all. We'll connect tomorrow.